Hello guys, welcome to Cruxweld. Today we are showcasing the DynaFlex 100S, our highly advanced flexible wheel welding and cutting carriage designed with multi-mode oscillation patterns. It is the perfect automated solution for tanks, vessels, pipelines and heavy fabrication. Let's start with the setup. The foundation of the DynaFlex 100S is its highly adaptable flexible wheel system. Here the operator is preparing the heavy-duty magnetic bases. These bases feature a simple turn dial mechanism to instantly engage or disengage the powerful magnets. Making it incredibly easy to position and firmly lock the track onto any ferrous surface, whether flat or curved. Assembly is quick and straightforward, requiring only basic hand tools. The mounting blocks are securely fastened down, ensuring a rigid and stable foundation. This quick setup design minimizes downtime, allowing your fabricators to transition from prep to welding in just minutes. Now let's see it in action. Once the carriage is mounted and the torch is positioned, the DynaFlex 100S takes over. Notice the precise multi-mode oscillation at work. The automated waving motion of the torch guarantees optimal penetration and a perfect weld pool. Because the carriage travels at a constant, controlled speed along the rail, it eliminates the inconsistency and fatigue associated with manual welding. From this angle, you can see how smoothly the motorized carriage tracks along the flexible rail. The integrated control panel allows the operator to easily adjust parameters like travel speed, oscillation width, and dwell time right at the workplace. This high level of automation ensures maximum productivity and continuous, highly quality deposition on long, continuous joints. The results speak for themselves. A flawless uniform weld bead with excellent tie-in, the Cruxweld DynaFlex 100S delivers precision, efficiency and reliability for your most demanding fabrication projects. Check the link in the description below for full specification and ordering details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more industrial machinery demos, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.